Right, so maybe that light's going to help me. Right, so, oh, so you can see, yeah?
Very good, yeah.
Okay, so, yeah, you can see the wing lights as well. Flap down at half. Let's try again.
So am I goose now?
You goose, yeah.
Cool.
You haven't got a microphone on there, unless you want to grab one quick. Just want to watch, yeah?
That's fine, Phil.
Okay. Right, going for a takeoff. Gear up.
Edge there. Wow.
Turn quick.
Building lights show up really well, don't they?
Okay, we're going to go flaps off. See that the gears, watch the gear come down. See it, just slightly.
No instruments required.
The roll's pretty nice.
Yeah, super smooth there.
Proper snappy, huh?
Do these things cut through the breeze, any air?
There's no breeze at all, is there? Okay, gonna come low, hopefully low pass, kind of. Actually, we'll go for a loop, why not?
Oh, wow. That's not Alton Towers, is it?
Oh, my beeper's going already. That's a bit premature. Shouldn't be going, because I'm 23 volts there. Yeah, I could look right behind and see you.
Wow, it's dark when you take your laptop.
Oh, that's nuts. I think we should speak to the RAF about training systems, saving some money.
There's someone
Someone's shouting a laser at you, man.
That's hilarious.
Freaking laser beams.
Someone is actually shining a laser at me.
Yeah.
Look at that.
Got me shut down, man. Crazy.
Do you reckon that's what they've got?
That's what it's got to be, yeah.
That's a powerful laser.
No,
is it a green one?
Yeah. You seen him?
No, he's really getting you there.
But I've got a green laser. That's how I know how.
Can't them things like do a lot of damage?
Manual patch.
Okay.
You can pop bubbles, balloons and things like that. And you certainly don't want to shine one in your eye.
So now this is working, Andy. Is this like your newest, bestest thing?
Yeah. It's my newest, bestest
You were talking
thing.
about this a year ago, weren't you?
I was. This was, the only problem is this is the only place we can do it.
Oh, I don't know.
Really have to go wide for the landing, unfortunately.
Yeah, pick a good line.
I'm not going for a landing, just going for a low pass. Low pass!
Makes you dizzy, that.
Oh yeah, I have to think about people watching it, don't I?
I just wasn't ready for it.
Yeah, it looks a bit rough, doesn't it, this one, with all the, like, no cockpit really. But it's a good shot out the back.
Oh, no, it's great. A little bit of breakup, only then, that was the first time.
You're in audience mode, remember.
Just then.
So, remember it's got the air unit, so it's actually better at audience mode.
Your jet's beeping, you know.
Yeah, it's fine.
That's 4 minutes 20 seconds, Andy, from on the ground.
Yeah, I'm still 22 volts, so. Landing might be interesting, but do you know what? I think that light might help me, you know.
I've got the longest walk of shame ever.
You found it though?
Yeah. It hadn't landed, it was up a tree still.
Tell you what, with this bad light, this looks like the flying analog.
Have you got it? Yeah.
Sputnik.
Yeah, I went through there.
All right, we'll come in for a. I'll come in for a landing.
And just go.
I think my gear's down. I can see that one better, I think.
One comes down
Yeah,
behind there.
yeah.
Like brambles and shit like that.
Oh yeah, that's definitely time for a landing.
It's a lot lighter in the camera view than reality, man.
Yeah, tell
I know, that's what I'm worried about.
So when you come in, I'm going to just talk you down, yeah?
Yeah,
I'll take the goggles off and...
coming down.
High there, drop it off on the power.
It's
right off.
it's fine, it's fine.
Okay, cool.
Yeah.
That's looking good.
Enjoyed it?
Yeah, real good.
It's a bit fast.
It's fine. Just flare gentle. More. You good? More. Hold. Nice.
Lovely.
Beautiful.
Perfect.
Good stuff, good stuff.
5 minutes, 56 seconds.
And that's still only 3.7 volts, so it's going to do 8 minutes, Phil. Flaps up.